Goodwill.
Ay, bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got status to appreciate that you claim me. Pockets inside that you treat you nothing, lady. I'm really getting to the bag, bitch, I'ma go get it. I'm really steady counting bread, bitch, I'ma go get it. If he's a fifth, then let's just next to that a code for them. I get them pistol, then I got something to take. My D-I-T-C-H, I'm big dog, so you know that's what I need on my plate. Don't know which one, I like you better on your knees or your face. I'm gassed up, sure you say you know who in the race, yeah. I put it on and you said I'm really top 5. He act up for me, then he could get this Glock 9. I ain't really with the shits and ain't no compromise. I ain't really with the shits and I am not lying. I know you can see it's obvious I'm hustling. Really, I don't know why you questioning blessing me. Really, I don't see a problem with me touching it. That's so bad that I could try to see the cup on it. Bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got status to appreciate that you playing me. Pockets inside that you treat you nothing, lady. Ay, bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got status to appreciate that you playing me. Pockets inside that you treat you nothing, lady.
Yeah, bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. And the Rari on the dash 180. Shorty got the OnlyFans going crazy. Said she wanna make a movie, I say maybe. Niggas wanna be like Mike. Hitting my shorties up, tell them niggas wait in line. I don't give a fuck, money on my mind. Never stressed by the bitches, money on the line. Looking at my wrist, it's sophisticated. 500 racks on me, tell my mama I made it. I'm the #1 stunner at the Wynn in Vegas. I got bitches in my living room, they all getting naked. I don't do shit for clout, bitch, I'm on. I can break the internet with shit in my phone. I don't really trust hoes, only bankrolls. Large amounts, take it out to the bank close. Spaghetti's on the paddock, it's about that time. My ass so fat, reverse and rewind. Can you make that ass shake all the time? Can I fly you out? Can I make you mine? Ay.
Bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby.
Yeah.
Why you gotta act so shady? I got status to appreciate that you claim me.